friends, it's Jenna. What's up and welcome back to my channel. Sitting in a little bit of a different location today. I'm actually in my office where I store all my inventory, so that's what those boxes in the background are. But yeah, I'm just sitting down and I wanted to have kind of a chill unboxing video. And this isn't just any unboxing. I have a stack of boutique items that I ordered recently that I wanted to open on camera with you all and just kind of show you like how they come in, what my next stuff is going to be that's listed in my boutique portion of my Poshmark closet. And yeah, I want to just share a little bit of this experience, because if you're not familiar like with me or my channel or who I am a full-time clothing seller on the Poshmark app. I've been selling for over 4 years, and I started my journey, most of my career has been resale or pre-owned or secondhand clothing, and that's still a majority of what I sell to this day. But like a couple months ago, I decided I wanted to add in some boutique items. And what are boutique items? Boutique items are inventory or clothing that I purchase wholesale directly from vendors, the manufacturer, and I wanted to mix that in with my pre-owned inventory. So I thought like in my head that these items are going to complement items that I have that you could mix and match with the new and the pre-owned. And I just got my most recent order in. I've only had 3 orders total. Like this is my 3rd order. The first 2 were more winter focused, a lot of sweaters and stuff like that. This is definitely more spring stuff, and I just made a smaller purchase because I'm actually going to be going to an apparel show next month. A lot of my inventory so far I have just purchased online from different vendors or manufacturers that I found by like Googling and writing people and seeing what I am able to purchase. But next month I'm going to an actual apparel show. I'm lucky enough to live in a city in Atlanta where we have an apparel mart, and there's different shows yearly that you can go to and meet with vendors and actually look at items in person. But yeah, for now, in between shows and just while I was getting started, I ordered stuff online. And I didn't go through the Poshmark portal. They do have a wholesale portal on Poshmark. I went directly to vendors and ordered from them. So I have 3 boxes from 3 different vendors, and I've ordered from 2 of them before, so I know it's going to be pretty good quality, but it's a category I am really excited about for spring. So all of this comes from one category, and yeah, let's go ahead and open it up because I'm sure you guys are dying to see what's inside just like I am. And I'm just going to start with the box that's on top, which is one of the smaller boxes, and I've like ripped off all the information on top that has like obviously my address and stuff. But when they send it to you, they just ship you the items that you ordered. It usually comes pretty quickly. Just looking for my box cutters. So yeah, I'm still really new with boutique items. So like I mentioned, I've been selling pre-owned for most of my career, and I'm still figuring out what I'm doing. So that's why I haven't really done a lot of videos or shared a lot about my boutique experience, because I really don't have that much experience. I feel like there's a lot of sellers that have way more experience than me and probably way more knowledge, but I don't know, I'm learning, so I might as well share my journey and learn with all of you guys. So if you want to see me do more like learning boutique type of videos, maybe I can do a vlog at the apparel mart. Let me know down in the comment section below. Macon has joined us, my dog. Macon, are you excited to see what we got? Okay, the other thing I want to mention before I open this up actually is when you order wholesale, typically what you order is a pack, and a pack is usually 6 of one item. So it will usually be like 2 small, 2 medium, 2 large, or you know, if it's one size, 6 of one size. It just really depends on the vendor and how they offer the items to you. So sometimes you can select sizing and sometimes you can't. So this one I couldn't select sizing, but it was 2 smalls, 2 mediums, and 2 larges. And this is what it looks like, me receiving the item. So in that box, this is what was in there, and it's 6 of the same item. And I'm going to share, I might not always share if I do unboxings like this, like my vendors and stuff, but I'll share with you guys the brands of what this stuff is, because I'll probably put it in my closet, like what the brands are this time. Sometimes people don't put brands for their wholesale stuff, but I think these are good brands that people would search out, so I kind of want to put it in there. Okay, and what I'm going to do is open up the one that's my size, because I also like to model my wholesale inventory instead of using the stock photos from the manufacturer. I like to just take my own picture. So I'm going to open up the size medium, which is usually the one I model. And opening stuff that's wholesale is like, I don't know, it's like Christmas. It's so fun. Or Hanukkah, I should say, because I'm Jewish. Okay, so the category, I'll just go ahead and let you in because all of them are going to be from the same category, is kimonos. I love kimonos for the springtime, especially with like graphic tees like I wear and sell all the time. With tank tops, you can transition them over long sleeves. This is the first one that I ordered. Well, that's the front. You can kind of see better on the back. So this is the back. It's actually really cute. It's got this cutout design, which is really similar to a Free People style that I've sold before. It's got this really cool short sleeve. Here's the pattern. I love this pattern. It's like a really beautiful paisley print, and it kind of looks distressed. It's black with lots of colors in it, and this is really, really good quality. I'm pretty sure this is like a rayon material. I usually look at the material when I'm ordering because, again, I want it to be good quality, and yeah, it's 100% rayon. Just a really cute kimono piece. Again, a great like style exactly over what I'm wearing. Like, I would wear this outfit out and about, and I love the sleeves on this one. So this was a good find. And the brand, I told you guys I think I was going to be sharing the brand. The brand on this one is Intro, which is a good boutique brand in my opinion. So there is the brand. This one's a size medium, and I haven't 100% decided on pricing yet. Like, I kind of get an idea when I'm ordering because I know obviously what my cost is, and then I need to figure out with Poshmark fees and everything how much I'm going to sell them for. But I absolutely love this one. I think that one's a great find. And I had originally ordered 2 from Intro, so I think the other one's on back order. I'm pretty sure it is because it didn't come in this box, and normally it would have come together. So 1 from Intro. Make him stop licking me. Okay, this is the next box, and this is from a different manufacturer. I really love that first one. The hard part is not keeping every single piece that I order because I always want one for myself. Sometimes I will. My dog's like all up in here. Make him stop. Ooh. Okay, I remember this one. I love the color on this one. So here's what it looks like straight out of the box from the manufacturer. Again, it's a pack of 6, and it is 2 small, 2 medium, and 2 large. And I've ordered from this brand before as well. I really like this brand too. So I'm gonna pick out the medium again so I can show you up close what it looks like. This one also really reminds me of Free People. You guys know I love Free People, so when I see stuff that reminds me of Free People that's great quality but can be a little bit more affordable, I like picking it up just because I know a lot of people like that style as well. And again, like I mentioned, these are all kimonos. So this is another kimono. This one's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I feel like it's hard to show you without putting it on, so I'm gonna put it on in a second. But it's this really cool mustard patchwork kimono. And I really like the shape of this one's more cocoon style than the other one. The other one was like really long, and this one's more of like a cocoon. This would be a really cute beach cover up as well. So that's the, oh, I love the back of it. So yeah, that's what this one looks like. You can tell I'm in my like pajamas practically, my casual clothing. And again, this one's, I'm pretty sure 100% rayon. So just a really good like gauzy material. Yep. And then this one is by the brand Easel. And Easel I think is a good boutique brand. Okay, so that's the only one I ordered from that brand. And then I ordered a bunch from this last brand. So this box is really heavy. It's like 20 pounds. And I'm really excited because I found some plus size kimonos as well. I've been trying to add in different sizes in my closet. So I have some plus size boutique items and regular in this box. Oh my gosh. Seriously, this is so fun because this box is so pretty, just opening it up. I don't know which one I want to open first. So I'm gonna grab this pack. Okay, this first style I'm gonna show you I actually got in regular and plus size. So the regular pack is 2 small, 2 medium, and 2 large. The plus size pack is an 2 extra large, 2 2XL, and 2 3XL, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I'm gonna open up a medium to show you. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. I love this piece. I haven't even opened it yet and I love it. All right, so this is again another kimono because like I mentioned before, we're doing all kimonos. Look at the sleeve on this one. It's got a bell sleeve and it's really long, so it's more of a duster length kimono, and it's got a ruffle bottom, and the back of it just has this gorgeous print on it. So again, I think this is something you could wear now with like a long sleeve and boots, or you could wear it as a swim cover up or with cutoffs and a graphic tee. Oh, this one feels really good. So this is what this one looks like. Again, just this really cool sleeve. And the back of it is so pretty. Yeah. I feel like a boho goddess in this one. So it's gonna come in small through 3XL. Yeah. Oh no, my battery's dying. Hang on, I gotta change my battery. Okay, I just changed my battery, so hopefully we're still in good light. I'm just using the natural lighting. But yeah, that was the first kimono. Oh, and this box is all from the brand EMPTYHANGER, which I think is a really good boutique line. Sometimes I'll pick it up pre-owned, but these are obviously all brand new with tags and really, really good quality. Again, these are rayon and just super nice prints and material. And how fun is that? Okay. I know I have more in here. Okay, so this next style I also ordered in regular and plus size, and it was, let's see, it comes in small/medium, medium/large, XL/1X, and then 1X/2X, I believe. So it's kind of one of those ones that could fit a variety of sizes. And honestly, kimonos, since they're open, usually they can go for a variety of sizes anyway. So let me just open up my size. So this is what it looks like packaged up individually. This one is gorgeous as well. I tried to pick some that were like more neutral, so I think this one with the cream and the blue is a little bit more of a neutral color combo. Here's the back of this one. And again, it's just got the kimono sleeve. This one also reminds me of a Free People style I have, and I'm gonna put it on. It's just easier to show you when it's on. Okay. So here's what this one looks like, and yeah, it's just kind of open, more like a wing style, and then it drapes down really beautifully. And then there's the back with the floral print. So yeah, this one comes in a variety of sizes. Really pretty. Okay, and then I have two more styles, and both of these are plus size only. So I'm gonna open up this one that's plus size. Love the color on this one. So this one's very tropical, and I definitely thought of this one for like a beachy vacation or spring break. I thought this would be really nice because it's just got those tropical vibes. The color is beautiful. Navy blue with some green, pink, purple. There's the print. And this one's more of just a simple long kimono. And then at the bottom, it kind of has a little bit of a ruffle. I don't know, it's hard to show you on there. Let me put this one on. So this one comes in XL/1X and then 1X/2X, I believe. So yeah, here it is. Just a really pretty floral print, tropical vibes kimono. Again, I just think that's so pretty with like a graphic tee. Yeah. Okay, and then one more, which is this pack right here, plus size. This one looks super fun. I love the colors on this one. Really bright and again, kind of tropical. Great for vacation, spring break, summer. Kimonos, a transition piece. I know, I feel like I've said that word like 10 times. This one feels really good. I like this material. Okay, so here is what this one looks like. It's red, kind of a corally red floral print, and then it's got some yellow stripes on it. Down the back center, it has the stripe as well. I'm gonna put this one on too. Okay. So yeah, there's this one. So pretty. There's the back. Ta-da! Okay, that was really fun unboxing all of these on camera. So I got 6 different styles, some available in like regular and plus size, some plus size or regular only, and one more that's on back order, and it's this really cool like patchwork purpley one, if I remember correctly. So I can't wait till that one comes in, but what I'm gonna do now is steam all the ones I'm gonna be modeling, because again, like I mentioned before, I like to model them myself and take photos of myself wearing the actual kimono or actual boutique item, and then I'm gonna get them listed in my Poshmark closet, which is EMPTYHANGER. It's all one word, and I always have it linked in the description box below, so if you ever want to check out what any of these items look like, yeah, it's always linked in the one below. And I cannot decide which is my favorite. I think I don't know, I really love this yellow one because this is just a great color, but I also really like this long one. I don't know, I like all of them, so I'm probably going to keep one for myself, but I'm not sure which one yet. So let me know down in the comments below which one you think I should keep, because I don't know, I'm having trouble deciding. But give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you soon. Bye!